Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Clerk and PostHog user identification, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Clerk and PostHog for user identification, start by setting up your Clerk account. Visit the Clerk website and create a new account if you haven't done so already. Once you have your account, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will need to create a new application in Clerk. Fill in the required details such as the application name and domain. After creating the application, note down your API keys as they will be necessary for integration. Now, move on to PostHog if you haven't set up your account yet. Visit the PostHog website and sign up or log in to your existing account. In PostHog, create a new project to track your application's data. After creating the project, find the settings and locate your API key. Now that you have both API keys, it's time to integrate Clerk with your application. If you are using a front-end framework, install the Clerk SDK using npm or yarn. Import the necessary Clerk components into your application files. Next, wrap your application with the Clerk provider component. This step allows Clerk to manage authentication across your app seamlessly. In your login or sign-up component, utilize Clerk's authentication methods to handle user sessions. Once you have authentication set up, gather the user information you need for identification. Use Clerk's user object to get details like the user ID and email. This information is crucial for identifying users within PostHog. Now, integrate PostHog by installing its JavaScript library in your project. With the library installed, initialize PostHog using your API key in the application. You will need to track user identification events for analytics. Utilize PostHog's identify method to associate the Clerk user ID with the PostHog user. Pass the Clerk user ID and any relevant user properties to facilitate proper tracking. To do this, call the PostHog.identify method whenever a user successfully logs in or signs up. Ensure that you handle user sessions properly so that identification persists across app usage. Once everything is set up, test the integration thoroughly. Check both Clerk and PostHog dashboards to ensure users are being tracked accurately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.